What is behind me, brand new 2026 4-server Cherokee Arctic Wolf 331 bunkhouse. This is the unit with a bunk room in the back and 2 bathrooms, and only 33 feet, a small fifth wheel, perfect for heavy half or 3/4 ton truck. But people, they like the size because it has two slide out in the living area, has a big separate bunk room in the back. Also, it has a full outdoor kitchens. So we're gonna go over the 2026 features and the benefit. First, they give you a really nice cap on the front with a blue LED light. They start using the leopard kingpin box, as you see in the front here. And then this unit has the juice pack. Everybody asks me, what's juice pack? That's mean the unit is already equipped with 200-watt solar panel. Beautiful 2-power awning with LED and support. Look at it. Look at it. They have even awning support, so the awning will not sag comparing the other brand. That piece in the middle for support. And then you have another one over here. So 2 power awnings. And then you have a full outdoor kitchen here with the sink, because a lot of outdoor kitchen, they don't give you sink. This one has a sink, hot and cold, ice maker. Ooh, where's my drink? And then you have, voila, a fridge. And the big one, not the short one, it has the big one. I call it beer fridge, soda fridge. And then you have here's a place you could put any grill you want, working tables, you name it. And they give you the LP quick connect underneath that. Behind us, we have backup camera, class 3 hitch, rated for 3,000 pounds. You can put your bike rack, electric bike, 50 amp cord. And this unit has 2 power awning, 2 ACs, 2 slide out, auto leveling, so all of that, 200-watt solar, a beautiful storage area. So what they utilize is the back bunk. They have a storage underneath, and you could access from outside. Endless hot water heater, 60,000 PTU Suburban, black tank flush. So this is flush your black tank. This is the slider opposing. Coming over here, you will see the big pass-through storage with 1-piece docking stations. Show them, cameraman, it has the auto leveling. Has the auto leveling, big deal. Outside shower, hot and cold. All the city water connection, antifreeze connection, black tank connection. By the way, this has 2 black tank flush because it has 2 toilet, 2 bathroom. Pass-through storage. And you have the 2 propane tank, one on this side, one on the other side. I love on the Arctic Wolf, they keep the spare tire inside, so it's not outside to the elements, more protected. And by the way, this is approved for you. It has 200-watt solar panel, and this is a solar panel controller, 30 amp service. Let's go inside and see the new changes, what they did for the 26. One big change, they used a nice recycling folding step. As you see, it's bigger, and my foot mostly there. A glass door, love it. A big entry assistant handle is lower, so easy to get in. Now, I'm gonna go over the extra changes they did. I really like what they did, the balances. So all solid balances, as you see, no issues. And they have the nice roller shade, as you see, roller shade. Now, on the 26, they start giving us smart TV. So it come with a big smart TV and a nice fireplace facing the sofa. This is a nice hide-a-bed sofa. You could sit, relax, enjoy the view of the TV. And also the people sitting on the dinette bench, they could see the TV with no question asked. As well, typical Cherokee, Arctic Wolf, Alpha Wolf, all the Cherokee, they give you these 2 big doors. Solid table, kitchen, amazing. I don't know to ask more than that. A lot of doors. You have 3 on this side. You have a cooking pan doors. You have then the oven, the 3 nice 3-burner range with a backsplash, microwave, and 2 cabinets around it, so they don't waste it. And then when it comes to the kitchen countertop, they give you the place for trash can. And by the way, they give you the trash can, no worries. Doors, you put your trash bags. More storage, deeper. Country sink, cup rinse, a high-rise faucet. All the 3 different levels of trays for the kitchen sink. ladies, know what it is. Here's your appliances. Here's your pantries. I could put all kind of stuff, and by the way, it has a light. Also, I could put some appliances inside, or my can, my cereal, my sugar, my salt, my flour, you name it, my spaghetti, pasta, all that stuff. This is what I call appliances counter space. Espresso, toaster, margarita mixers, all the plugs right there, 110 and USB. Also, you have the full big storage in the top, and then another storage at the bottom with 2 doors. Beautiful. This fifth wheel, they give you a central vac and the sweeper. What is sweeper? I get my dirt here, I sweep them, and then I open it, and this will suck the dirt inside the central vac. So it comes with the central vac, as you see. If this pantry is not enough, I got more storage. I don't know what to store, but you got a lot of storage here. And I know everybody tells me when you go camping, you need every single space, and that's what Arctic Wolf they did. They don't waste any space for you, and they give you all this entertainment centers, as you see, with a remote control and a fireplace. A lot of storage, a lot of cabinets. And again, this is a solid wood, it's not a paper. That's a big deal. And this is the remote control for the fireplace. Now, the fridge, the freezer, typical Furrion. The 11 cubic for refrigerator, this for freezer, this fridge. I like what they did. They lowered it down to gain more storage for you. You could put your loaf of breads, whatever cereals, you name it. But look how amount of storage and space I got in this fifth wheel in this short distance. Now, here's the key, is the room behind this door and the room behind that door. Let's start in the back. So in the back, we say we have a bunk room. Voila. So you have a double over double. I mean, it's a big bed. Physically, I like this touch. Easy to walk in. I could get in, and I could get in the bed, lay down. Sorry, I want to keep my feet up. Enjoy the sleeping, and then voila, cameraman, show them the TV. It's in front of me, so I'm laying down here. I'm watching movies. So imagine 2 adults, 2 big kids could sleep here. And I showed you the storage outside, which is underneath the bed. They don't waste anything. They don't cut corners. They give you shelf for your books, CPAP machines, iPad, iPhone, you name it. Look how deep this closet. Show them how deep the closet for the kids. They did really good in this floor plan is they twisted, they make it so easy where they gain half of it outdoor kitchen and half of it closet for you. They give you the ladder. It's very hard to find these days, this. And then again, you have a big bunk bed here. So you sleep 2 on the top, 2 at the bottom. They have their own TV. They have also, everywhere you sleep, there's always 110 and USB plug. That's a plus. And then you have a bathroom. Now, I have my sink, my medicine cabinet, my fantastic fan with the rain sense, with the in-out remote control porcelain toilet. This is not a plastic. So this unit has 2 bathrooms. That's a big deal. Now, going to the front, we're gonna go to the master suite. You have a nice bed, queen bed, with I love this lamp, 110 plug for CPAP machines, another shelf for iPad, books, waters when you lay down. It's already prepped for a 3rd TV in the bedroom. It comes already with the big TV in the living area, but we leave the bedroom optional for the bedrooms on the front and the bedroom in the back. Big closets with shelf and doors. And then this bed is lift up. And I got my bench. I could sit, tie my shoes. I could dress up if I want to. I could do all my business here. This is a smart move they did for the 2026. They utilize every single space, so you have no excuse say, oh, it's too narrow in the bedroom. Wait a minute, just raise this up and you have full storage. And you have full room to move. Beautiful, love this. Even they put the Cherokee wolf sink in the bathroom with a counter space next to it. Place for towels, porcelain toilet. Love this touch. You could put towels, soap, and then again you have a glass shower door. Easy to get in. Look how so easy to get in. Voila, very roomy, height, no issue. 331BH, we assure you on this unit, no one in California reach our price. Folks, I want to tell you today something. We're getting a lot customer request when they buy this unit and they say, we need to bring our inspectors. I tell my customer, you are free to do whatever you like. You want to bring your inspectors? We have no problem. But save your money, because Best RV well known is we take our time to show you everything is working, function, not just talking. Physically, we're gonna open the fridge and we tell you, look, it's cold, put your hands. Running? Yes, perfect. And he have a form he check. Here's slide in, here's slide out, light in, hot water here. So we have a procedures at Best RV. We have a form. My mechanic go through it to show you everything is working and function, and he makes sure you sign on it before you leave the lot. Not because we don't trust our employees and we don't trust you. No, 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 no. To give you more assurance, everything is done and demonstrated. And all this work, other dealers, they charge fees. Best RV, we do not. So we provide you with a free pre-delivery inspection, free get-ready package, free walkthrough, free orientation. We show everything's work and function. We wash it, clean it, prep it, make it ready for you to just hit the road and go straight to campground. Don't go home with it. Go straight to the campground at no cost to you. Come to Best RV and let me validate this statement for you.